Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to clean and cook Geoduck. All right, today, author is going to show you how to cut and cook a Geoduck. A Geoduck is a type of clam, and he is going to demonstrate that for you here on Mr. Do It Now. You see our vlog where we found the Geoduck. Hello and welcome to our channel.
We're going to take it, we're going to blanch it. That way it'll loosen up the shell and it'll loosen up the membranes around the shell. Alright?
Alright, to blanch it is to boil it.
Yeah, put it in
salted water for about 15
to 20 seconds.
And then we're going to turn them over since. Okay, he's been turned over. He's got some stuff coming out of his little mouth up there, and his stomach's at the back, and that's his mouth, we believe. All right, now we're going to.
Siphon.
Author says siphoned. And now we're going to. All right, and now we're going to remove.
Good and cool.
Oh yeah. We're going to remove his shell. That's beautiful. A mollusk. Mollusk. Beautiful.
I like that right there.
You like that piece? I'm going to use that. You will see this in my mukbang. Oh, he did it. And just like that, we're able to pull off the membrane. Hold it up high. Well done, sir. I think I can bite the tip, that brown part. I'll take a bite for y'all for shock and awe, okay? Here we go. It's sweet. Such an inappropriate but beautiful species that the Lord created. I get it. Oh my. What'd you taste it?
Oh no, it's good.
Oh my God.
As it said, the ladies were.
No. Yes. Author removed the stomach. They say you can use this piece for chowders, soups, seasoning of a, I guess like a chowder.
Let that open. See
That's his stomach.
Yeah,
You just gotta see. You just gotta know what it is. You gotta know what it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well done, Carters. Well done. We're gonna put this in a. He's gonna make a ceviche, and you'll see that later on the channel. And I'm going to eat some noodles and fry a couple of pieces. He's been wanting to do this since we started YouTube 4 years ago, and we finally found. Oh wow, soft. Found an Asian market that sold it. I'll take one half and you keep the other. Look at that. We did it. Good job, husband. And it's sweet. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so clean. You talking about clean. It tastes like it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing taste. I get it. Which piece do you want? You can take half and I'll take half, you take half. Because it's going to fill you up. I know Blake's going to love it.
Gooey duck.
Gooey duck. We finally
got it. Finally got it.
When I tell you Arthur wanted to order it from abroad and he's been trying to have me taste it, while it looks like it is amazing. Thank you for watching. And step out your comfort zone. Do something different. Get yourself some gooey duck. How much was it?
Like $40-something.
But it's worth it.
Try. It looks like something else, don't it?
And if you like today's content, well, we need your help in order to go further and meet more people so that they can see us eating gooey duck. We need you to thumbs it up and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you.